We are currently heading for the train. We've got a farewell thing today, just for anybody who wants to come. These particular people cannot come to that, so we're going to see them. They've got twin boys, we understand.
That's a long way.
Lunch is over,
Start that again.
brunch is over. We're now on our way into South Bank Food Markets to meet everybody else for lunch, and then we'll go find somewhere to have some drinks. It was good seeing them, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
The
saying
boys
goodbye.
are big.
Oh, the boys are getting massive. Okay, food market time. You're gonna go pad thai?
I think so. It's
Pad thai.
tradition.
It is. Imogen's here.
Well, cute gardens, but a lot of the weather's not really nice.
We found Live Lemon,
Hello.
and now we're just waiting for Jess, and then we'll head to the pub.
Where it's warm.
We're back at the Spice of Life, where we had our engagement drinks, but we found Jess now.
Yay!
Oh, by the way, Jazz showed up.